That main spar looks compromised right there.
And the gear strut is completely rusted through.
I'm making a note of the fuselage damage now. The plexiglass is heavily degraded. This crack runs all the way through the main pane.
This propeller is definitely seized. The damage on the leading edge suggests a ground strike.
All right, keep pushing it through.
I got the end, pulling it tight now.
Looks good.
Okay, bring it down 5 more feet. Easy on the descent. Looks clear, coming onto the deck.
See the cracking right here by the clamp?
And the fluid residue confirms it. We need to replace this section.
Make sure the pressure's calibrated on that rivet gun before we start.
Already checked it, boss. Ready when you are.
All right, easy on the lift. Bring it up slowly, then swing it clear to the right. Easy now, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard edge. Okay, set it down. Okay, it's clear, bring it straight back. Steady now, easy down on the cradle.
Okay, careful with that last clamp.
Got it.
Looks good under here.
Broke it free.
Okay, easy now. Watch the fluid.
2.5 at this rivet line.
Confirmed. Let's mark the cut here.
See the shift at this rivet line. The starboard side is almost 3 millimeters high.
I see it.
No.
We'll need to apply pressure there before welding. Seam along the main spar looks good, no warping visible.
Agreed. The restoration on the airframe is complete. We can move to paint prep.
Try adding a 1/4 ounce to the second blade, see how she settles.
Okay. Holding steady now.
Perfect, that should do it. Needs to come down just a fraction right there.
How's that fit?
Perfect. Hold it steady while I get the clamps.
Check the alignment right here on the flap hinge. It looks perfect. Yeah.
Noted. The surface finish is flawless across the entire wing.
manifold. Right there, hold it. Okay, drop it an inch.
Okay, one more click on that top bolt.
Got it, looks solid.
Okay, bring it down 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, steady, steady. Keeps aligned at the front spar.